I'm happy to see that my Forex robots are performing better than many of those I purchased and reviewed on this channel that were created by professional EA vendors. Some time ago I said that I will make all of my accounts public so that you can see which robots I trade with, which broker I use and the results. And if you don't know me, you'd say these guys are manipulating the results so their robots are on the top, but that is not the case. We wanted to ensure a fair comparison between all of the robots we trade, and the ones I created are performing the best. Take a look at this. On our website at EA Trading Academy you can find all of our accounts public, and for the last month or so the top 3 accounts are coming from the top 10 up, which is a recent development of the academy that allows the traders to track many expert advisors and select which ones to put on them all live accounts. So if I show you the application, you will see plenty of strategies for the gold, for the silver, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the major currency pairs. For example, the euro dollar offers 10 expert advisors, the pound dollar offers 10, and this is something that I've been doing for years. I've been generating with EA Studio and FSB strategies for such a long time. Then I was selecting which ones to put on a demo, and I was testing hundreds of expert advisors on demo account, connecting to FX Blue or my FX book and selecting which ones to trade on my live account. And in one moment I really got tired of that, to be honest with you. So I decided to create the top 10 as a ready-to-use product where we are testing different expert advisors and we can see how they are performing for the different assets and on the different periods. And surprisingly, we have some great results with the euro yen, especially the ones we are trading by looking at the monthly performance. So you can see that the one on the top is top 3 euro yen on monthly, which means that we are simply taking the 3 expert advisors that are most profitable at any moment on monthly basis. So if tomorrow this strategy gets between the first 3, we will replace it with the one that dropped lower. And because the app is updated with new historical data all the time, it's pretty much a pure simulation of live trading, and I don't need to put so many expert advisors on demo accounts. I pretty much select which ones to use from the app. And at the time of recording this video, we have 4 accounts that are performing extremely well. The first one is the 3 euro yen robots. Looking at the monthly performance, you can see that this account gained $118 of profit, or that's a total gain of nearly 60%. Just 54.57 were made in the last 30 days. If I show you the track record, you will see that this account is going upwards really steadily. The next one is the 3 Bitcoin expert advisors, and this account made above 23% in the last 30 days. Now I cannot say if this is because the Bitcoin is at about $70,000 again and there is a lot of volatility. Maybe the market is suitable for the strategies, but actually the market, guys, changes all the time. And the good thing with the app is that it generates new strategies automatically 24/7. The ones that pass certain criteria are pushed into the app, and I just look at the last 1 month to see which are the robots currently profiting for the current market conditions, the ones that are suitable for the current volatility and market fluctuations. So let me show you the third one. This is the top 3 dollar yen expert advisors, again looking at the monthly performance, and those those made above 20% in the last 30 days. I'll show you this account that initially it went on a profit, then there was a bit of a drawdown, but now it is profiting again. The fourth account comes with the Happy Forex EA that is trading on $1,000 live account, and that one made nearly 6% in the last 30 days. So we arranged the accounts by the performance for the last 30 days, and on the fifth spot we have top 10 EAs, and that account is fighting for the fourth spot with the Happy Forex. And at this account I have selected randomly strategies from the top 10 app. Well, not randomly, but honestly the ones I liked the most. So for example, I have selected one from Bitcoin and a few from different currency pairs, just looking at the balance charts, looking at the profit factor and the count of trades. And all of the robots that are below come from professional EA vendors that I respect. I've been in contact with many of them and I've been trading their expert advisors. Just I'm very happy that my expert advisors are currently performing better. And I want to share something with you. There are so many people trying to be developers and traders at the same time. I don't suggest you to do that. Pick one of the two. See, I am a trader who is YouTubing. I compare so many expert advisors from our apps or from different vendors. We have so many on different challenges as well that we made public. You can see them right in this section. So these are ongoing challenges and we are trading with many third-party software or expert advisors that I have reviewed on my YouTube channel, and I do my best to share with you honest results. Like when the expert advisor is profiting, I'll share it with you, but when it is losing, I will share it with you again. And the most transparent way to do that is by showing my challenges and live accounts, so you can see at any moment how one set is performing. For example, right in here I have the Happy Forex, the Happy Brexit, the Happy Gold, and they are halfway through passing a 200k challenge. And usually in my videos I always leave the links to the track records, so you will see how each expert advisor is performing, and this will save you time of purchasing and testing the expert advisor, and of course this will save you money. So you can pick from our results the expert advisor that are performing well at the current market conditions. And if I go back to the live trading results, again I proudly say that my expert advisors are beating the ones from the professional EA vendors. But that's at the time of recording the video. I know how the markets move, and I know that maybe in a week or two, maybe 2-3 months, some of the accounts will go lower and others will be on the top. But this is why I keep testing new expert advisors. I keep looking for new methods to combine different strategies and robots, and as well I don't fall under the greed to increase the exposure. For example, with these 3 accounts I keep trading the same amount. For example, if I show you the Euro Yen account and I go to the orders and I switch to the closed orders, you will see that all of these are trading with 0.01. So I don't get greedy and increase the risk when the robot is profiting. And as I said, I am a trader who is YouTubing. I want to show you transparently my next experiment with the top 10 robots app. So I will go now for the pound dollar, where I see 3 really nice strategies on the top. Just if I compare them to the euro dollar, you will see that the most profitable strategy with euro dollar brought $216, which is still not bad, but the pound dollar is simply better. So I want to put the 3 expert advisors from the pound dollar on a new live account, and I have opened one with Global Prime, which is the new broker we are using and the academy. You can see that they offer really low spreads for the currency pairs, for the indices, the commodity commodities, the cryptos, Bitcoin spread is about $5 to $6, which is really low. And they have bonds, CFDs. The broker does not require a minimum account to start with, and you can start with as low as you wish. There is a huge range of markets, 24/7 support. And if I just scroll lower, you can see the regulations that the broker has. And for my new trading experiment, I have opened 4 live accounts, each starting with €200. So I have one account, a second account, third account, and a fourth account on one of my VPSs. So in the first one, I will put the top 3 expert advisors from the pound dollar. Again, looking at monthly chart, and I just check daily if there are new strategies in the top 3. So if any of those goes higher, I simply replace it in my live account. And then for the second live account, I will go for the 3 silver expert advisors. But in this case, you see that the very first one just got 2 trades. Now don't be afraid of that. It is still a profitable strategy. Doesn't matter if it's not that active. It made profits, right? This is what matters. So I will download the top 3 for the silver, and as well I will download the top 3 for the gold, which are more active. You can see 24 count of trades for the first one, 12 for the second, and 19 for the third one. So I will download these for the third account, and with the last account I wanna test for myself if it's really better to have 3 strategies instead of the top 1. So this expert advisor from the gold, I will keep trading alone in the fourth account that I have with Global Prime. And because I don't want to make the video too long, after I stop recording, I will put the expert advisors in the accounts, and I will connect these with FX Blue, and I will leave the links down below in the description. So whenever you're watching, you will know how they are performing, and you can select which market to trade at the time you're watching the video. Maybe after 1 or 2 years, who knows, whenever you find my videos. As always, guys, I thank you so much for watching and staying with me until the end. Before you go, check out this video on my side to learn more about the top 10 app, and if one day you create more profitable strategies than professional EA vendors, let me know. I'll be happy to have you in my team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon. Cheers.